You want to go where no camper's gone before? Wherever your truck can go, this trailer's right behind you. It's a 2026 Ember E-Series Spark LE12 RK. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Come along with us as we check this little beauty out. Want to get out camping on the beach, or maybe you want to get deep into the woods? This thing is trail ready. Can you see it? It has a Blue Ridge edition that's specially made for Beckley's RVs. We've got the lifted axle, Dexter axle. We've got the matching black rims with the knobby aggressive tires. And far as the boondocking aspect of it, and you're probably not going to be around electric, don't worry, they've got you covered. On this particular model, we have two 200-watt solar panels with an inverter to be able to get into those deep areas without electricity. We also have right to my left here, you can see is a nice 270-degree bat wing awning that gives us plenty of coverage. Need to take a little bit of extra storage items. We have a 2-inch receiver on the back, and far as the cooking, we'll get to that as we cover the rear kitchen. My favorite part of this camper, the rear kitchen. It has all the essentials that you need. We have plenty of counter space. You have fresh water, 26 gallons. And in case you get into some of those colder temperatures, there's a tank heater on board that you can flip a switch. And cooking, we got a nice pull-out griddle, propane quick connect, be able to cook up all those beautiful meals. And if you need to bring a little extra more for you, maybe microwave or refrigerator, don't worry, Ember's got you covered. They've got 3 120-volt outlets and 2 different types of 12-volt charging ports. And of course, we need a little bit of illumination. We've got some light switches, wash up with your hands, we've got the tankless water heater, and so much more. Inside, my bed on wheels. It has everything that I'm going to need comfortably. We've got heat and air conditioning. You're powered by an 18,000 BTU furnace that is probably going to heat you out of here. And in the summer months, we have our 8,000 BTU air conditioner. And don't worry, we're going to be able to have 40 pounds of propane in those fall winter months to be able to power that furnace. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, the optional solar package with 2 200 watts, a 2,000 watt inverter, and a 30 amp solar amp controller, you're going to be able to power a lot of your electrical items when you're off grid. Storage, Ember's got you covered. There's plenty of storage front and back with those nice security netting just in case. And of course the bed, when it comes to nighttime, we've got a California queen mattress size here to be able to sleep in peace. Last but not least, Mother Nature's throwing you some beautiful weather. We have screen doors, we have a window we can open, and if we need to circulate some air, there's a 12-volt max fan on the ceiling. So you love the beach? Or maybe you like to get deep into the woods. So you're loving this camper, right? Give us a thumbs up if you do. Got some questions I'm sure I need some answers, comment below. I'll be glad to get them to you. And everybody, show us some love, smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.